Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing this look and I'm using for the look I used the Sweet Talk palette from ColourPop, and I originally wanted to copy this look from Chloe and Cosmetics. She's super good with eyeshadow and well, her whole makeup. Well, I tried to recreate it and well, as you can see, it completely went off the rails. I messed up, so I just did it on my own. And yeah, so if you want to see how this is, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna just prime my eyelids with my ColourPop No Filter concealer. Just pat everything down with the sponge. Okay, primed. I'm gonna go in with Catch Me and Orchid. Just both of those, and I'm gonna put them in my crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with ICYMI and Feel Free. These two colors. And I'm gonna just deepen up the crease. I think I'm gonna go in with West Side. Oh, it's a lot of fallout right there. Okay. And I'm gonna just blend it right here. Just like that. I'm gonna just deepen up the crease a little more. Just like that. Now I'm gonna just blend that out. And I'm gonna go back in with Feel Free, the ICYMI. I'm gonna do a wing look with it. And now I'm gonna take my Stila liquid eyeshadow in Carefree. Just line. Actually, I'm gonna just paint the whole thing. Because on hers, she just did a glitter liner right here. Just on the top or the bottom of the cut crease. But I don't have that. So I'll just improvise. I'll just color the whole thing. It just dries up and becomes too patchy for me. I'm probably not using it right. Although, I mean, it's liquid eyeshadow. I mean, how bad can you really mess up? Actually, I think it just did. Cover up that horrendous liquid eyeshadow, or try to at least. I think I'm gonna go in with this Early Morning. Let's see if it'll work. I think that looks a little better. Just a little. I mean, we tried. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna do my other eye and the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the final look. I went ahead and did my other eye and the rest of my face. For my face, I honestly just used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer all over. Don't mind that. That's my fault. And I didn't really want to cover it up. But on my lips, I used one of their Ultra Blotted lips in Cypress Hill, I believe. And then I just put a little bit of blush. But yeah, here is the completed look. Honestly, the eyeshadows were great. They blended out nice and all that. It's just not... I'm okay with how it came out. It's just not really my favorite. This was the look I originally wanted to do. Let me put the brightness up. That's what I originally wanted to do, and then this is what the outcome was. Totally went off the rails with it, but I mean, it is what it is. I tried at least. And yeah, and then I believe these lashes that I have on are, I think I got them a while ago, and I think they're from Elf. But yeah, and I put a little bit of the ColourPop brow pencil on, and yeah, that's it. I didn't put no bronzer or highlighter. I didn't really feel like doing all that. But yeah, this is the eye look. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.